of a winner. Yeah, they compete with the heart of a winner. In other words, when you become a champion, or when you get to the position of becoming a champion or number one, ibig sabihin nun, you already have the skills. Sabi nga nila, in the last 2 minutes of the game, or in the dying seconds of a game, naka-autopilot na yung naka-autopilot ng iyong skills. In other words, you already know how to dribble the ball without looking, because you're looking at the strategy, you're looking where people are. Automatic na yun dahil nasa iyo na yung skill mo But when it all boils down to it, in the last remaining seconds of the game, pagka sobrang dikit ng laban, it's the team or the person that wants it the most that will win the championship. Kailangan meron kang heart So it's not just technical know-how on how to play the game or how to do your job properly, but you also have to have a heart of a winner. Same thing with excellence. Pag pinag-usapan natin ang excellence is a skill. You can learn how to become excellent. However, you have to have the heart to be excellent. Kasi kailangan nagtutugma yung dalawang yun Dahil kung wala kang heart, lalabas din yan sa what you don't have on the inside will not manifest on the outside. Diba? So, you have to have the heart to win. I place here, sabi ni Michael Jordan, he was asked to define love in a commercial.
Love?
Sabi niya,
Jordan,
what is love?
What
is love? Sabi niya, love is playing on nothing but heart. Love is playing on nothing but heart.
Parang ano yan sa mag-asawa, no? Pag walang-wala na, basta nandyan pa rin ang heart, buhay pa rin.
Buhay pa. May pag-asa pa.
May pag-asa pa.
Pwede pa. Diba?
Ang problema, pag nagmatigas na.
Ayun na.
Diba? Kapag manhid na.
Yan, pag manhid na.
Diba? Kung dyan, kapag diba? Nasaktan na kasi. Sinara na ang pintuan. Yun na. That's when it starts to. That's the beginning of your end. Ano?
Correct.
Tama. So, kailangan dalawang puso mo hindi. Kailangan. No, but that's what other people say, di ba? Wala na yung isa, so buhayin natin yung pangalawa. Hindi, isa lang yan
Yeah.
So just pray for a breakthrough that your heart will be tender once again.
Correct. Importante yung pusong yung sinasama na hindi manhid.
Yo.
Diba? Yung parang it's almost a statement that's boastful. Yung sanay na kasi akong manalo ganun. Ingat sa ganun dahil pagka yun na yung naging attitude ng heart mo, one, the competition is already a no competition. And number two, you become relaxed. You become complacent. Then you don't prepare as much anymore. Diba? Punta tayo sa UFC. Mahilig ka sa UFC, diba? Anderson,
sarap
the Spider Silva. Hindi ketchup.
Hindi ka mas gusto ko kasi yung banana ketchup kaysa sa tomato ketchup.
Hindi, yung suntukan, si paa.
Of course.
Yung may dugo talaga.
Yes.
Yun. Na mukhang ketchup.
Yung totoo.
Oo, yung totoo. Hindi lang ketchup yung dugo, pero totoo. Anderson the Spider Silva.
Of course.
Grabe.
15 na ba yun? Hindi ko nga alam. 15 championships na. Unbeatable.
This
Number
fighter is just grabe ang skills. He wins every single match. And he's not one who will stop. In other words, kahit alam niyang champion siya, reigning champion siya, defending champion siya, every fight, he still prepares as hard as if he were to win the match for the first time. Yung ganon. Kaya, ang pinaka-nahirapan siya kay Chael Sonnen.
Yes.
Diba? Muntik na siya.
Talo na siya
talo na siya.
Last minute na lang siya umabol
yun.
Diba?
But because may heart siya,
of course.
Sabi niya, hindi pwede to. Hindi ako pwedeng matalo. He overturned. Diba? Sinabit niya. Yung
literally overturned. Na-overturn niya.
At sinabit.
Oo.
Diba? So, they have to win.
Parang pagong, nakabaliktad na, nakaganon pa. The impossible.
Yes. They come into a competition expecting to win because they've trained themselves to win. Diba? So, when you enter a competition, if you know that you've trained yourself well enough, kumbaga, now is my time. Ganun. Minsan, nasa kumpanya tayo, di ba? You've been training, you've been in that position, etc. You've been honing your skills, you've been developing yourself, you've been being faithful with the job. Time will come that when you're up for promotion, guess what? Expect to win. Expect to get that promotion because people on top, management, leadership, executives, they will always look to people in the organization who have developed themselves over time. Kaya nga hindi employment, parang na sinasabi nila. It's not employment that's a question, it's employability. How good have you been over time?
Ulitin natin yan, ha? Not employment, but employability. Itong tanong sa ating mga kasama dyan. Not if whether you're employed, but are you employable? Okay? The secret to long-term stability is not employment. Employment, lifetime employment. Walang ganun eh. Miss Cherry, walang ganun ha. Walang lifetime employment. The question is employability, which is your ability. I just wanted to say the definition. The ability to get employed or employment whenever you want it, whenever you need it. Yan ang employability.
Correct.
Yan ang tanong.
Tama. Number 3. Ito na. Champions adopt a higher level of discipline. Di ba?
Okay.
Champions adopt a higher level of discipline. In other words, kung iba, ito, bare minimum, ginagawa nila. Para lang pa-condition, they train hard. Pero yung mga champions, they always go a notch higher. So in other words, if you say, pag sinabing, the question to a champion team or a champion player is not whether they will score or not. The question is, how many points will they score? Ganun na yung tanong nila. Hindi na yung pupuntos kaya kong I can do 3 points, or I can do this, I can do that, I can make the goal, I can finish the race in this time. But it's really finding out what are the disciplines that I need to do to beat my last performance. And it takes discipline, diba? Kuna sa triathlon, diba? Kailangan whether on season or off season, nagsasanay ka eh. Di ba? Hindi lang naman kung season, kung panahon na ng triathlons, diyan ka lang magsasanay eh. Hindi.
My coach, si Dan Brown, yun ang reminder niya sa akin. Kahit na hindi 2 oras, iba kasi 2 oras ang araw eh. Actually, kahit na 30 minutes yan. If you don't have much time, basta consistent ka, at saka intense. Maiksi lang. So, I was away for 10 days. I worked out for 7 days. I was away for 10 days. Kaling ko lang, I just came from Beijing. I worked out for 7 days and I did 1,500 sit-ups. Of course, pero naka-spread out yon.
In 7 days.
Kasi hindi ko kayang gawin 1 oras. Hindi ko kayang gawin 2 oras because I was busy. So, in small increments na lang.
Correct.
Pag tinotal mo, may labang, hindi naman may laban, makakatapos ka.
Oo.
Diba? The worst is to procrastinate at triathlon. Wala. Hindi ka talaga aabot sa dulo.
Okay, yung mga up for promotion. Hindi lang porket yung performance management time na.
Tama.
O saka ka lang maggagawa ng magandang trabaho. Hindi. All throughout the year, your work has to disciplined ka. Your work has to be excellent all throughout. Kasi pagdating ng performance management, yung iba, they're still proving themselves. Ikaw, you've proven yourself already. Di ba? Iba yung binibigyan mo pa lang yung panahon mo para mag-improve, iba yung nag-i-improve ka na over time. When the time comes, you're there, you're right. And it's going to be easy for you to win the championship later on. Decision, pag sinama mo kasing discipline, not everybody likes discipline, di ba? Lalo na yung pagsasanay sa training para maging kampyonato ka or champion. Kailangan you have to decide on it.
Oo nga, even the disciples did not like discipline. Disciple na yun.
Correct.
Which is the same root word, by the way.
Yeah. So you have to decide. Kailangan desisyonan mo yon na papasukan ko to and I will see this through. You have to make the decision.
Nakita nyo ako nagte-take down notes, di ba? Habang discipline to take down notes.
Once you make the decision, you have to discipline yourself. Diba? Know the discipline. In other words, katulad nung I started playing badminton 1992, 93, mga ganun. Pero nung pinasok ko yun, sabi ko, ito yung sport na type ko talaga gawin. So, I had to learn. Ano ba yung mga disciplines na kailangan para gumaling? And I got a trainer, I asked him to train, and we went through the discipline. After knowing what the disciplines are, you have to be willing to go through the drills. Yun yung...
Kaya naman champion to sa badminton kaibigan natin, partner natin na si Ardy Abelio. Palakpakan naman natin si Ardy Abelio, ang ating top badminton player. Ba't di ka sumasali sa mga tournament? TV5, halimbawa, yung mga MVP Cup, di ba? Pakita mo naman ang skills mo. Di ba?
Papakita natin yan one day. Pero yung drills, kapatid, yun talaga yung... Doon sumusuko marami. Di ba? Alam naman nila kung anong kailangan gawin eh.
No?
Di ba? Alam mo naman na kailangan ganito karami, kailangan ganito etc. etc. Pero pag pinag-drill mo na yan, parang
pag tinanong si Tiger Woods, di ba? Woo! What a wonderful shot! Ang sagot niya, I did that 1,000 times, no? In the fairway, practicing.
Correct. Oo. Pagka nasanay ka kasi sa drills, ito na yung last. It becomes a delight. Di ba? Parang
Creamy Delight.
hahanapin mo na
Bagong
eh.
endorsement ni Maricel. Creamy Delight.
Ayos sa segue. Okay sa segue.
Tama na. Sakit ng ano ko. Lalamunan ko. Kailangan ko na Strepsils. Kalalabas pa lang ng bago commercial ni Maricel. Sige.
So, once you've decided on what you want to do, you have to know the disciplines to become the best. Go through the drills. Kahit na masakit. Kahit na feeling mo gusto mo nang give up. Kahit na sinasabi sa'yo ni coach, 5 more, 10 more, 15 more, 20 more. Sige lang, go. Because your coach knows what he's talking about. And if he sees some potential in you, he will develop you to become the champion that you can be. Then later on, once you've gone through that, it now becomes a delight. In other words, hinahanap mo na. You're looking forward to the next tournament. You're looking forward to the next race. You're looking forward to the next project. Kasi, nagsanay ka eh.
Or your next date.
Or your next day.
Diba? Diba?
Ano
Honey
ba-
delight na yun.
ano ba
Honey delight.
Ano ba ang drills ng, ng love life? May drill.
Nako! Parental guidance.
Oy, by the way, kung gusto niyo malaman kung love life at saka relationship, bukas manood kayo.
Saan to?
It's More Fun with Philip.
10
10
Abadiso.
p.m. 10 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Kaming dalawa ni
Alam,
Chief
klasiko yan si
Positive.
Philip Abadiso, ating kapatid na yan. Also my batchmate, my classmate in Lasal. And I heard it's a fun session with Chinky. Kayo na naman.
Ang saya. Ang saya no. But it's a very interesting topic tomorrow. So manood kayo bukas. Okay, ito na. A few more. Next is champions always have mental toughness. Kasi marami dyan. Champion kasi magaling sa ganito. Nagsana yan, etc. Pero, minsan, iba kasi yung training sa actual competition eh. Diba? Iba yung training sa actual competition. Pag sinabi mo ng actual competition, like running, diba? Pag tumatakbo ka, kinikwento mo nga ito one time eh, there's a point in time na parang ikaw na lang mag-isang tumatakbo eh.
Tama.
Ikaw na. So, at some point in the game, there has to be a point where mental toughness kicks in. In other words,
3 stages yan of running. Okay, quickly First
Yeah.
stage, you're a child.
You're a child.
Excited ka.
Okay.
Woo, di ba? And then, next stage, you're a man. Oh, kasi sabi mo na, this separates the men from the boys. Di ba?
yes,
Pag nasa gitna ka na. Last stage of a run, child again.
bakit?
Panginoon ko, tatay ko, father in heaven. Ayun. Nag-iisa ka na nun.
Gusto mo na gawin pa?
Wala na.
So what do you do in a case like that? Well, how do you prepare yourself mentally for a race?
First, you know that is gonna happen. Asahan mo na. Asahan mo
Anticipation.
na. At one point, it's just gonna be you and God before you. Di ba? You have to anticipate that already.
Yeah.
And yung training mo,
Yeah.
kasi napagdaanan mo na yun eh. So when you're training,
Yeah.
you have to go beyond. Okay, I wanna quit now, but hindi. Kakailanganin ko to. I have to push a little further.
Yeah.
And there's a difference between running 10 kilometers and doing interval training. Interval training, ito yung 400 meters na mabilis. Na, diba? Tapos lakad. Tapos 400 meters na mabilis. That's what gives you yung push pag nag-iisa ka na lang. Yung diba? Yung strength to go on. So, yung drills, importante din.
Okay, tama. Tsaka I think also, kung titingnan natin yung negosyo, yung stick-to-itiveness na sinasabi, yung stick-to-itiveness, yung they stick to it until they see the